Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earning disclaimer. Carfidant Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover Car Paint Scratch Remover and Restorer Kit with Buffer Pad Polishing and Waxing Kits, Compound for Vehicles Paint Repair 8.4 Fluid Ounces. Easy Scratch and Swirl Repair. If your car has light scratches, swirls, or other marks, you can easily fix that with our Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit. Using the included buffer pad, our specially formulated compound will allow you to easily remove and erase years of wear and tear from your vehicle's paint and overall appearance. Ultimate Paint Repair. Not only will this remove swirls and scratches, it will restore the gloss and shine of your paint and bring it back to its original brilliance. The special rubbing compound will remove water spots, oxidation, and other contaminants from your paint. Premium chemicals. We formulate all our products to ensure they are the best. Professional grade, but easy enough for anyone to use. We use only the absolute best chemicals and ensure there are no unnecessary color dyes or scents. Thanks for watching and subscribe.